Have you ever struggled with building tension or suspense in your edits? My name is Austen Menges, and I've been a pro editor for over 20 years with a focus on broadcast TV commercials. Today, I'd like to invite you into my edit suite so I can show you a simple technique that makes scenes feel more intense and keeps the audience on the edge of their seats. By the end of this short video, you'll be able to take this approach into your own edits and instantly make your scenes more dynamic and suspenseful. Let me start with this. Imagine a forest fire. The flames are spreading rapidly, smoke is thick, the danger is immediate. On its own, that's very terrifying, the stakes are high, every moment counts. Now think of a different scene, a traffic jam. We all hate being stuck in traffic. The cars are gridlocked, horns are blaring, frustration is mounting. On its own, that's also very stressful. The tension comes from being trapped, wanting to move more quickly. Now imagine both of these things happening at the same time. There's a forest fire advancing and you're stuck in a traffic jam. Suddenly, the tension isn't just doubled, it increases exponentially. The technique I'm going to show you is called cross-cutting, when two sequences, each building tension on their own, are intercut to make the overall scene feel far more intense than either part alone. I'm in Premiere Pro here, and before I show you the technique in action, I want to talk about the three ingredients that make cross-cutting work in your edits. The first ingredient is simply two scenes that you can intercut, but the key here is that each scene should have tension or stakes on its own. If the two scenes are flat to begin with individually, the combined impact still will be pretty flat. The second ingredient is a visual contrast between the two scenes, and this could be a lot of different things. Think about what if one has handheld footage, what if the other has static footage? One is dark, one could have light imagery. It could be the pace at which you cut two of the different scenes. Maybe you use a slow rhythm for one and a more dynamic fast rhythm for the other. The third ingredient is audio contrast. Give each scene a different feel. Maybe one has quiet, realistic sound effects and the other has more subjective sounds. Maybe one has music or score and the other one doesn't. Maybe one is really loud and one is really quiet. It's a bit counterintuitive, but the visual and audio contrasts can actually make the cuts work better. It's sort of embracing the jarring nature of cross-cutting. Now, before I show you some cross-cutting in action, I want to let you know that I linked to the artless stock footage I used to put together my example, so go download it and give it a try. Just remember, try to create two different scenes that build tension on their own, then intercut them using some of those visual and audio contrast ideas that I laid out for you. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button, and you might also want to check out my free editing guide where I go deep into my 5 main editing criteria: emotion, story, rhythm, sound, and action. And now let's take a look at the exercise I put together using those art list clips to illustrate cross-cutting. And if you like this video, you should definitely watch this one next. Happy editing.